Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So here we have taken another sum on sectional orthographic projection where we have been given the front view and the side view. We have to draw its sectional right view, front view and the top view. So now the total width required to draw the front view is 70 millimeter and the height is 25 millimeter plus 55 plus radius of the outer circle, that is 15 millimeter. So the total height required to draw the front view is 95 millimeter. So as we know the dimensions, we can draw the axis. So this height I'll just calculate. So I'll mark a point. So the space required to draw the front view. So this much space is required to draw the total figure, total height of the figure, including the front view and the top view. Now with these dimensions, I'll draw the axis, xy axis, x dash y dash axis, and above that 5 millimeter, I'll draw the baselines where we'll draw a figure. Now starting with the front view, the total width is 70 millimeter. I'll mark a point. I'll mark the center point at 35 millimeter. Through these points, I'll draw parallel lines. You can extend these lines downward towards the top view also. Later on, as you will require to take the projections downward. So at the start only, you can take the projections to the top view. Now we'll draw the outer circle. Radius given is 15. So 15 above, I'll mark a point. And through that point, I'll draw a parallel line extending towards the side view. Next, I'll mark a point above 55 millimeter and above that 25 millimeter. So this is the total height for the front view. Now taking reference of this line, I'll draw a parallel line from both these points. Now from this point, I'll draw a circle. The outer circle radius given is 15. We have already marked a point above 15, so you can directly take that radius and draw the circle. Now the smaller circle diameter given is 14. So radius has 7 millimeter. We'll draw the circle from the same point. I'll make dark line as given in the question. We have to draw the normal front view and we have to draw the sectional side view. Extend these lines upward till the top, make it dark. Now we have to draw a semicircle of radius 20 and smaller circle of diameter 20. So on compass, taking radius as 20, keeping the pointer on this point and draw the semicircle. Next, we'll draw the circle of diameter 20. So taking radius as 10 millimeter, from the same point, we'll draw another circle. Now taking this as a reference, I'll draw this line parallel straight touching the upper part. Draw it dark, make this line dark. With this we are done with the front view. Now we'll take the projections towards the side view. So take all the projections towards the side view. Circle ends, circle center line. Drawing the circle center line. After taking the projections towards the side view, we'll start with the side view. We have to draw the sectional side view. So this line will be dark. After the section, this line will be visible. This width given is 17 millimeter. So I'll mark a point 17 millimeter. This distance is 40 millimeter. Mark a point. I'll draw this dark. Extend this line upward towards this center of the circle. Now this inner circle which is hidden will be dark after the sectioned part, so I have drawn a dark line. All the dotted part which is right now shown in the question will be dark after the sectioned part. Join this dark. Now this distance is 15 millimeter. Mark a point 15 millimeter. Through that we'll draw dark line as I told earlier. After the section this part will be visible, so I'll draw it dark. This part will also be visible, so dark line. All the dotted lines which are shown right now in the side view will be dark after the section part, as it is cut from the AA direction. This is the circle center line. Draw it in the circle and also in its projection. Here also you have to draw the circle center line. This circle will also be visible. The edges will be visible after the section part, so I have drawn it dark. Now the section lines, we have to make it at an angle of 45 degree. So this line is 45 degree. I'll draw the section lines. So after the section, so this part only will be sectioned. The circle will be visible. This part will be sectioned. And this upper part. Rest of all is not sectioned. Now to draw the top view, take all the projections from the front view to the top view, from the side view to the 45 degree angle line, and from the 45 degree angle line towards the top view. Now from here the top view will be, so first visible, this semicircle will be visible from the top. It will look like a rectangle shape. So this is how the first semicircle from the top view will be visible. This circle will be hidden here, so I'll draw it dotted. Now the outer edge will be there, so it is dark. Now this bottom circle, it is a bit extended outward, but it will be hidden from the top view. So I am drawing it dotted. So this is a bit extension, as you know, it is 17 width of this circle, down circle is 17 and the upper one is 15, so it will be outside. Drawing the circle center line. Now this part will be dark. This is the sectioned part. You can see from the side view, and we are done. Just marking of the dimensions. All the dimensions which are given in the question should be marked. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section.